have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with my suit on, I made you look. I made you look. See how.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning from here. How you doing? Hope you're good. So the last clip we watched was where I was trying to wash clothes, but I couldn't do that again. I couldn't do that again. I will still do it, but for now we are rushing to market to get some things. Yeah, we are rushing to market to get some things. We are on our way, going right now. So.
I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with my suit on, I made you look. I made you look.
Hi guys, can you see me? So we couldn't make it to the market again. On our way, we noticed some fault in the car. We thought it's a small thing, so we went to the mechanic to repair it. But they say we have to wait till night because they have to buy something to fix inside the car. Don't know. Car will disappoint, I swear. So we couldn't go to the market again, and I'll be back again to continue washing my clothes. Maybe next time we'll go. Or tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Maybe tomorrow after church we go. That is it. That is the update I want to give you guys. So I'm back home now. I want to continue washing my clothes. Nothing more. The sun is too. The sun just come out today, and I'm loving it. So the long-awaited sun. Let me use this opportunity to wash clothes that I've been packing because of the weather. Hey, I'm just upstairs here doing my doings. Doing my doings. Forget this sun, no. It's so cold, though. Forget this sun, it's so cold. Give me. Let's do the do. I say what I do. Hey guys, I'm done. I watched a lot too. I watched a lot. Done, done. Hey, so tired.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Just finished washing the clothes. I'm about to take my lunch. So I'm having rice with stew here. Let me show you guys.
Yeah. And they do it. Do what's that? Without the way, well, what has it? Sometimes nobody left.
So I made this stew yesterday. Yesterday that was Friday. So join me, let's eat.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know.
If I tell you, say I did
Have you used your
and you
Christmas
see me
hair?
for Lagos, London, just know that I did in my own world. No need to be asking them
Have you used your
questions.
Christmas
Life
hair?
is not too hard. Oh. Say your own, no. Go your way and never look back. Oh, I will do what I want on God. Oh, going forward we move like that. Oh, Daddy make out my back. He dey bless me that I can't deny. Small time I go fly around the world. After I don't enter my time. Daddy make out my back. He dey bless me that I can't deny. Small time I go fly around the world. After I don't enter my time.
So guys, we are done. The hair is not that much. Oh, the hair is not that much. So I'll wash it now and know what next to do to the hair. For now, no idea. After washing it, I will know what to do. We are just making use of this sun to keep our body warm. Hey, ended up with. I don't know how to do hair. I'm not perfect. I don't know how to do hair. So this is what I managed to do with the hair. Yeah. Already though, today has been stressful. So I'll just go upstairs, pack the clothes that I washed in the morning, take my shower, lie down and sleep. That is it for today. I'm tired. I'm so tired. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back to support this girl, this woman. Yeah. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. See you next time. Until then, bye. Mwah.